ithuba usandile igama lokuqamba kwa-Grade 8 umnyango ubizwa kuthiwa Social and Community Development Directorate. Mina ngidila ne-funding yalo mnyango wethu ngenxa yokuthi sibe umcimbi okukhona la kwaNgcolosi la khona ama-NPO akwazi ukukhombisa imisebenzi ayenzayo. Usihlalo wethu wekomiti umama uSokhabase wayekhona, so kwasekuba nento ethi ngoba umnyango uvulelekile manje ukuthi inhlangano zonke engenzi inzuzo zinga-apply. Ake siphuthume size la sizoyichaza lento yaka-Grade 8 ingakavali ukuze ama-NPO akhelele le ndawo akwazi ukuthatha leyo opportunity nolwazi esizolushiya namhlanje uma be-applya. Nathi singajabula makhona ama-organization ahlomulayo. So ingakho kwesila namhlanje kuyisicelo nje kakhulu esiqhamuke khona la kwi-Bellville Trust ukuthi sihlangane sizokhuluma ngo-Grade 8. Asikhuluma ngo-Grade 8 kuphela, sizokhuluma ney'nkinga thina ama-NPO ezisihluphayo. Mase sibheke ukuthi lezi inkinga singagwema kanjani ukuthi zingalokhu zisihlupha ukuze nathi sibe ama-NPO abambe iqhaza elibonakalayo ey'ntweni esizenzayo. Sizama ukufasa ibhodi lethu lihlupha. Ngizoqala nje ngingathandi umfundisi bafumana kakhulu abantu
No problem.
Yeah, ngithanda nje ukuthi siqale ngiyinkinga. Kunenkinga ejwayelekile eyihlupha ama-NPO. Eyokuqala ukuvala kwama-bank account. Angithi? Yes. Valiwe ama-bank account, uya-applya, i-sponsors funa u-6 months bank statement, usakwazi ukukhipha u-6 months bank statement. Awusakwazi ukukhipha u-6 months bank statement, awusaphumi, ufika ne-confirmation of new bank account, usuya-disqualify. Simply ngoba i-bank account injani? Ivaliwe. 2, asisho ukuthi hayi angikaze mina ngifane ngaleyo ndlela bengenayo imali yokumaintain i-bank account. I-bank account ayi-maintainwa ngemali ye-sponsor. I-bank account i-maintainwa ama-board members e-organization. Outside i-sponsor, ayikho qala inhlangano singena-sponsorship. Siyahamba nje kuhlangane amalunga avumelanayo ukuthi nombono lo abafisa ukwenza bazoyifoma babe yisigungu. Basebenze njani iphakethe. Naye inkinga la iqala khona. Iphakethe masiqala siyasakho inhlangano. Asirekhodi iphakethe. Asirekhodi. Kanti iyona source of income iphakethe lethu. Singakabi naso i-sponsor. Ngizenzile ukuqhubeka lokupha ngoba ufateka kwazi ukuthi le organization isebenza endaweni esemakhaya. Nendawo esemakhaya iyadinga usizo. Mase kuthola ukuthi ngasohlangothini lomholi izinto ayiqondana. Asiqale la kuqala. Khona into esithi leadership. Leadership. It's a board, NPO. This board, these leaders, they might be 5, but not more than 10. Kufuneka sibe nama qualities athize as leaders, angithi. We must possess certain qualities. Yabo masakhi committee lenhlangano engenzi inzuzo. It's a selection of individuals with a passion. Abantu abahlangene but abanombono wodwa. Iqala lapho iquality okwakha ubuholi be-NPO. Ngoba umuzoza uzoba ingxenye yomzimba we-NPO ungenawo lo moya wombono iyacollapse leyo NPO lobo buholi lobo buyacollapse. So you need abantu abazoba naleyo isekelo yabo abangazi udrive imaterial azoyizuza. Maningi ama-NPO aqanjiwe atheme qanja inhloso yasemalini yangabi kuyivision. So ngenkathi imali idrag bayazika abantu abaqala ama-NPO ukuthi umqali i-NPO ungenalutho uba uhlobo lomuntu yabo. Kodwa ngoku sukuthwela ivision awuzweli ngoba ivision yona ekunika amandla, yona ekunika energy. Isho kuthiwa imali ayikho kodwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu icebo uzobona wena lenzeke icebo. Udinga ke that quality yabantu abakha iboard ye-NPO, abantu who are willing to sacrifice their own personal resources for i-organization ukuze ikwazi ukuqala ilume. Iqala la ini ama-NPO amaningi acollapse at an entry level because aleka the element leadership. La kune challenge ikhona udinga abantu abazoletha isolution. La kune success khona udinga abantu abazo-upload there is a success bashaye ihlombe bancome. La kuneyinkinga khona udinga abantu abazoza nesisombululo. But awuthi ebuholini be-NPO eyinazi iy'nkinga imali uyaphela unyaka imali ayibona usuyabaleka nje ayinamali yakho uyashina. Ngaleso sikhathi unikezwe a very strategic position of authority. Usayini imali yabo uyi-signature. I-organization ngeke isiyenze lutho without your signature. Then you just surrender because awukwazanga ukubamba isitamini salombono. Imisi ya collapse. Sebeqala phansi abafowethu sekufuneka uyoshintsha usuyancema. Lethi resignation letter phela. Kufuneka kuhlala iboard ithatha ama-minute ukuthi wena usekho active. Ihanjisiwe ka social development. Zimi izinto ngenxa yokuthi ni selecte i-member ebengenawo lo mbono. Yona ibiphethe umbono wemali. Yabona umbono wemali. Sijaha imali. Imali is an enabler to achieve a vision. enabler is not a vision imali, because wathatha imali as your vision izowabreak imali ingaqhamuki. Sekufuneka manje i-leadership i-develop strategy to turn around the organization so that the organization doesn't collapse and sustain. You understand? Sidinga lento ke le. Sesiyayibhekisisa ka gradini 8 le element before sifaka imali. Ukuthi labantu esicabanga ukubafanda siba no one on one uyazi bakumapholova la eceleni lapho. Siyayicela nje yonke iboard. Sihlale nayo iboard sibatshele ukuthi hayi kuneyincomo ezingathi ngasemfana but ayikapheli. Sesitha sonibona nje sixoxisana. Ake mina sithathe through ubani wena wenzani, ubani wenzani, ubani wena wenzani, wena wenzani. Contributor ku-organization. Yini wena throw into this organization? Take us to your confidence. You understand? Because we avoid ukuthi when imali misifika usuyezwa kunomsini. Sekuvuka le amembe likhekheleze ingafuni ukusebenza isizwe sidampela ngoMkhulu enkangala. Nami ngifuna ukuthola. Then they start interpreting wrong i-purpose ye-leadership ye-organization. Hayi maningi siwabonile ebulawa ngumkhuhlane. Awe size suspend i-funding, sibhalele i-bank freeze i-account. Ngoba abantu bayalwa bayaxabana bafuna 10,000. Bafuna 80,000. Yabo. So masilaphela singaba multiply omamhlophe babe more than 1,000 caliber of leadership. Angithi singaba multiplier babe more than 1,000. Right, asise kulento imali esihlupha. Bona indlela la angithi sikhulume ngokuthi uma siqala i-organization suke singena funding. Yeah. Kunento esibiza ngokuthi i-members contributions. Members contributions every month. Abo masaka ihlangana neke sirecruitane sishelane ngamakhono. Uma mbani ngemazi is a former principal. It's good 1, 2, 3. Uba ubani is a legal mind person yamazi nokusiza abantu ngezomthetho. Usibani ngamazi ugodi ulumkhakha nalomkhakha. Angisiyabo nishelana ngokuthi niqhamuka ngeyiphiwo ezizocomplement umbono, iphiwo enqobana ngazo manje kwakha isigungu senhlangano akube yiphiwo ezicomplementa ini umbono weorganization. I-members contribution iyona source of income. You see, every member, for argument's sake, they'll pay 100 rand times 5 people. It's 500, yeah? 500. The 500, we have a bank account. Every month, the 500. You photocopy, you take the airtime, you coordinator, you printer, when's a look now, look at it. omunye uyagibela athenda umhlangano othize kanjalo but awuveli ngalenkathi sponsor singekho lo 500 ngoba isponsor masithi nginikeza 3 months bank statement sifuna ukubona in an absence of sponsorship what is your source of income because uyasebenza ngenze how do you generate income while you are not yet sponsored sekuvela no members contributions yabo oyisiqukule sika 500 rand mako 50 rand uzoba 250 rand ngithi yabo uyavela lapha ku bank statement lo 500 na ku next month uyavela lo 500 then that is your source of income outside sport say 500 enofunayo uzocover ama bank charges onke ama bank charges ngithi azocover yini ulo 500 ayikho ke bank account evalayo ukuze singabe nento ethi ngoba sesiphelile isponsor akekho sefuna ukufaka isandla sakhe ephaketheni athi uyomaintain ibank account sekufuneka ihlale iboard imisi ithatha isinqumo ukuthi ifunding isiphelele and sinalama liabilities eyokuqala maintenance of bank account every month is cost plus minus 78 rand per month esinezinto zokufotokopa nani ibank yethu ayisawakhokhanga ama bank charges for 2 months seniyavumelana ukuthi each member must contribute nibuyela kwicycle yakhe member contribution yenze ukuthi uNkulunkulu emuhle nje vele kwethu umsamanga emuhle ngithi asinikeze isponsor seniya kulama mabhuku lawa ayirecorda lo 500 lo 100 rand ingakabi na sponsor iyashaya iboard isithatha iresolution iya invest back imali because sponsors esikhona ngithi hlala phansi board thatha iresolution members you've been taking care of your organization ama basic expenses ayo with your contributions every month. Let's calculate each member contributed how much. Then you reinvest because it's relative inhlanganeni ngizoza ngithi seniyabuyelela imali yenu. So that the auditors also is reflect ukuthi this money in Wiseleyo it's a reinvestment. It was based on membership contribution while you are not yet sponsored. Ayiko ki bank account evalayo. Isponsor masithi ngicela 6 months bank statement. Isho lokuthiwa uphela unyaka bona uzokwazi ukukhipha lapho 500. Sibone isponsor ukuthi this organization is required to be funded because their source of income is coming from members. They have always had this 500 every month. So now there's a description. Or a description here. It's members' contributions. Then we are done with it. You have account value. So you understand that?
Yes.
Manje into engizoyenza ngizokwenza i-application form. I hope azonanela ama-application form esiwaphethe. Engananele ngizoshare imisebenzi. I-application form ke iyona lento ocela ngayo imali. And please ningangiphoqi ngakhona ungatholi. Ngiyangiphoqa mamhlobo nami. Sengikume kangaka. Sizokwenza i-form. Step by step i-form. Nokuthi iform sidinga njani. ukuze libe na 99.9% chances to be considered. Yabo ngizomnika imbuzi namhlanje. Page 2 wethu i-description nje ne-purpose and activity ezinto zenzayo number 7 then number 8 ama-board members now. Please give details of the board of trustees or management committee in detail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes there might be 3 people, sometimes there might be 5, but they're not more than 10. Right? Just, we need just 5 signing. Now, ufaka umuntu certificate iningi la overifeka. Page 2, then page 3. Yabona page 3, 1 and 2, ama-banking details. Afana nemishini nama-banking details awi-bank statement. Then number 2 is list of names yabantu abasayinayo. Ufake umuntu obuyadume la angafuna ukusebenza. Yabona excited. Bamfaka umuntu onentunzi. Ngoba awuzolipakisa ibhasi. Sidinga-ke labo bantu abanjani abatholakala. Kuyalekelela ukuthi into ze-organization makufona i-sponsor. Idinga i-tickets. Yabona i-sponsor masikhona sikuze something. Lo bamba ucingo wathithiza. Kumele wathithiza nje wangayibamba. Zivele zivala ucingo kuqala. Usathithiza. Ezinye iy'mpoza zenza njani? Yabo? Yabo, ngoba thina sisempini yomshikashika siyayazi into yethu yesizwe ukuthi isizwe sabantu abamnyama sithole idombolo engakanani. Siza la sifike sincelisayo. Sincelisayo. Ngoba siya-understanda into esiphuma kuyona. Okay, ngiqale ngaqala. Uma isponsor sifuna your financial information, suke sifuna sponsor income and expenditure. Esibiza ukuthi income and expenditure statement. Income and expenditure statement suke singa-auditiwe. Yabo, imali nje lezi yilo ya 500 rand besikhuluma ngawo yakhumbula i-income yethu. Base kuthi ama-expenses photocopyile sathenga i-airtime kwayimali ye-transport ukuya emhlanganweni kanjalo njalo. Ngithi yabo ama-expenses la your income description sesiyakulo ya 500. Angithi awuna sponsor wena. Siyakuya into members contributions of 500. That's your income. Uzobhala lapha ukuthi members contribution.